Hi, Dr. Marcia Tuft with my Crash Test Dummy Challenge for the Great Egg Drop. So this is a great egg drop challenge with a twist. The first part is, can you come up with a cool idea for a substitute for your fresh egg? Okay, so an egg drop challenge is basically taking a fresh egg, packaging it in something to protect it so that it can survive a drop from 7 to 8 feet high onto a hard flat surface. By that I mean concrete, tile, pergo, vinyl plank, hardwood floors, but not carpet and not grass, because those have cushioning. So 7 to 8 feet tall, drop free fall from 7 to 8 feet high onto a hard flat surface. Okay, so why would you maybe want a crash test dummy as a substitute for your fresh egg? Well, in testing, engineers often use ways to reduce the cost of a test or get data without risking a valuable test subject. Now, you might argue a fresh egg isn't that valuable with the test subject, but it can be messy to clean up. So one solution to that might be simply to bag your fresh egg so that cleanup's a snap. And furthermore, you can fish out your shell pieces and still use it in an omelet. So you can still use those fresh eggs if you bag them first. But if we were doing an automobile crash test, we would want something that would give us feedback about how the dummy survived. Something that would predict whether the test was going to fail or not, if legs were going to get broken. So ideally, for an egg drop challenge, we would want to be able to predict whether our shell is going to crack or not. Another use for a crash test dummy might be to refine your design concept. Let's say you go crazy and you do a hang glider design. Well, the most important thing there might be modeling the same weight of the egg so that you can tell whether your system is going to fly or not, if you're going to be able to slow that velocity down. In that case, a test dummy might be just anything the same weight, even perhaps some silly putty or Play-Doh. But if we want to predict when something's going to crack, we would like ideally clear criteria. An egg, when it falls, makes a very distinctive sound when that shell breaks. Easter eggs, plastic Easter eggs, these have a single opening, so these would be either sealed or open when these break. But the challenge is, does the shell split for the same conditions that a fresh egg breaks? Or what conditions does it get close enough? So my challenge to you is to come up with a crash test dummy substitute and then explain why you think it made a good crash test dummy. And there's no failures in this. Just try something for grins and giggles and see how it comes out. See what you learn. And I'd love to see pictures. Please post them to this website, putneydesigns.com or Solve It for Kids podcast. Okay, we'd love to see your pictures and see your results. This is Dr. Marcia Tuft signing off.